Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to build another Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. I messed up, guys. My wife and I picked this one up a while back, and I completely forgot that she had asked me to do it in the yellow. She really liked it and wanted me to build it for her, and I screwed up and got carried away with the other one, made it pink, So this one's for her. So stick around and I'll go through the motions here of putting everything on the bench and getting this one ready to go. Alrighty, so just a few moments later, I've got all the parts laid out on a bench, and as always, I will go through and primer a bunch of stuff and then paint accordingly. And hopefully, because I just recently built this very same kit, it'll come more easily, and maybe I'll figure out where the issue of putting the body onto the chassis was. If you go back and check out the Panther pink looking Jeep, you'll see that I had an issue getting the body to fit on the chassis properly, and I don't know if it was something I had done, but I'm going to try and remedy that on this kit. So alrighty, thanks again, and I'll be right back. Okay folks, quick update on the Jeep Wrangler version 2.0. This is all the parts out of paint. The body and interior door panels are still in the booth. I just put an extra coat on just to clean them up a little bit. They were a little splotchy, so got that straightened out. Now I'll start doing some detailing, putting the wheels together and all that kind of good stuff. Alrighty. Thank you again, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, here's just a quick update on the progress of the Jeep. Got the underside completed, I believe. Next time we'll be putting the wheels on and adding seats and that to the interior. I went ahead and did the seats similar to the way I did the pink Jeep with the detail along the sides of the seating and that. No big deal. I just thought it looked kind of neat and different. And after that, hopefully everything will go together well and I won't have any issues with the body fitment to the chassis. So stay tuned, I'll be back in a sec. Alrighty guys, so same issue I'm having with this Jeep that I had with the Panther Pink Jeep. The instructions tell you to put on the back end first and then slide it down over the interior and onto the chassis. Did not work. It binded up in this front area here and then interfered with these things, all kinds of issues. So I put on the front end first, installed the two little screws. Don't know if you can see them. There they are there. Okay, install them so it holds this part down. Then we get over to the back, and again, these are the two slots, and there's two tabs that stick out on the back of the actual chassis. Can't really see them at the moment, but I have to put on a ton of force to get that to come down, and before you can actually see them in there. And then this part of the body doesn't push down enough, so I have to hold it like that, put in some CA glue, and hopefully it holds on there for a minute or two while it cures and hardens. But yeah, that's been the only complaint I've had about this particular kit. Now this is the second one I've done in a row actually, and it's the same issue. Okay, I actually got everything else to fit in there nicely. And there's a shot of the dashboard in that. I don't know if I showed that to you earlier. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's there. The rest of it went on pretty well. All the body sides slid down very nicely. These little deals fit right into the slot there real well. So nothing's binding as far as plastic goes. It's just the fitment is it's like the chassis and the interior part have a slight warp to them, so it's pulling it away from this body piece. It's the only thing I can come up with. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on there and then hold this down. I won't let you have to suffer through that, so I'll put that on there and let it go and be back when I got more. Okay folks, so the body to the chassis came out nice. You can see it right there where the tabs are actually sticking through properly. So that worked out well. I've got the, I don't know what you call it, the header part where the interior mirror hangs, just freshly glued in there. And next is all the accessories, the little fenders, the little thing that goes across the bottom there, lights, brake lights and parking lights, running lights, spare tire, front and rear bumpers, all this stuff. I've just gone through and touched up any white that was showing through from where I clipped the parts off the trees, and I will wait for that to dry and then come down here later on this evening and hopefully finish it up. We'll have a completed kit for you in just a few seconds here. Well, there it is, everyone. Another Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in yellow for my wife because I messed up and forgot to do it the way she asked me to do it. But that's okay, no harm, no foul. Got her done. Hope she likes it. It's right now in this video. It'll be the first time she sees it, so surprise, honey. This one's for you. Alrighty. Thank you all for joining me. Again, this kit was pretty much identical to the other one. Same issue with getting the body onto the chassis. I know I mentioned it just a few minutes ago in the video, but it's been a half a day or so when I've done it. It's a Jeep thing right there on the bumper. Went with New Jersey plates on this one. And Eat Sleep Jeep is what that says there in fine print. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed that one. Y'all have a great day. I will see you on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.